Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check the game version and target server because mechanics change. Make sure you have a working map and compass. Once done, equip tracking items, map, compass, and 1/2 stack of torches, and turn on in-game markers and nearby player pings. You do this now to reduce wasted searches and to gather reliable telemetry. Next, open the friends list and enable voice or text pings so you can coordinate as you move toward the suspected treasure hunter location. Now you focus on tracking. Listen for footsteps and weapon sounds, and watch for footprints or recent activity markers on the map, because those indicate fresh presence. Once you detect a lead, narrow your search radius. Start at 500 m and tighten to 100 m with systematic grid sweeps. Make sure to use bait to lure the hunter, then set line-of-sight flanks and timed checkpoints to trap movement. As you work, communicate adjustments and log each observation so you can predict their next move. Finish by isolating and engaging. Coordinate timing so you cut escape routes, then move in together. Remember to stagger approaches to avoid all being detected at once. After capture, secure loot by sweeping the area, checking hidden caches, and documenting the exact coordinates for later retrieval. If tracking fails, troubleshoot. Reset the tracker, recalibrate the map, and return to the last known waypoint. If noise or interference persists, switch to stealth observation and wait for the hunter to expose themselves.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.